German philosopher Gottfried Leibnitz said, there are also two kinds of truths, truth of reasoning and truths of fact. Truths of reasoning are necessary and their opposite is impossible. Those of fact are contingent and their opposite is possible, meaning when it comes to the truth and its divisions or types, then we can basically say and affirm that there are primarily and principally two types of truths in the world, and they obviously are indispensable in themselves. So there are basically and indispensably two kinds of truths that govern all of our character, behavior, action alongside our words, propositions, and statements that we make. The first is the truth of reasoning. Now, the truth of reasoning is absolute because it's fundamental and imperative in itself, because it does not require on anything or anyone for its validation or affirmation into the reality, and also it just cannot be changed, reversed, or moderated by anything. So the truth of reasoning is absolute without any external dependencies, requirements, or reliances, because it's self-evident and it's so powerful that it just basically smashes through all the external barriers, societal hypocrisy, double standards, stereotypes, and also governments lying, and also one's own insecurities, weaknesses, shortcomings, etc. The truth of reasoning is unstoppable because it's absolute and undeniable and inevitable. Now, on the other hand, there is also the truth of fact. Now, the truths that are basically backed by fact and based on fact can be easily refuted, criticized, or changed upon the application of knowledge, wisdom, experience, etc. Truths of fact are subject to change, moderation, and opposition, because their foundation is not absolute as that of the truth of reasoning. So truths of facts can be easily changed, reverted, or moderated in accordance with one's knowledge, experience, morality, maturity, alongside sovereignty, education, etc. So the foundation of the truth of fact is not very strong, it's weak because it's conditional. But the truth of reasoning is indispensable and absolute. The truths of facts are contingent, and that means they are basically dependent and reliant upon other sources and other things for their validity and authenticity. And therefore their opposition, criticism, and change is also very possible in one